Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're gonna do a tutorial on the Samsung Galaxy watch. Got a viewer asking me about or questioning me, see if how many device could it allow to connect up to two Bluetooth device with the Samsung watch. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick. First of all, you want to go to your Samsung Galaxy wearable, okay? If you have a different phone, you need to go and download this app and then click on it. So here is your watch informations about your battery, your storage, and then your RAM. So as you can see, currently it is connected to my watch right now. So if I switch to a different faceplate, it's going to change. Okay. So as you can see right there, it is changed already. So I change it back. If I change to a pink one, rose gold, it's going to change to rose gold. All right. So just to prove that this is connecting to this my Samsung Galaxy SA Plus right now. So I have this cute earpiece. You need to go to your setting on your watch if you want to connect to your earpiece. So I'm going to go to the setting, okay? Sorry, I'm using the LG V10. It's kind of not focusing right. So go to setting, and then you want to go into Bluetooth. Go to connection, okay? I don't know why this phone is not focusing. So go to connection, Bluetooth, and then tap on it. Anyway, once I open this up, it's going to automatically sync it to the watch. So it says connected. Go ahead and see, I can play the music on my watch. Go to the scroll to there. Okay, this is the watch. I might have to mute it because it's due to copyright. So as you can see right now, it is currently playing from this earpiece. I can change the volume. So as you can see, it is connecting to this Bluetooth right now. So yes, on the Galaxy Smartwatch, you can connecting up to two devices. One's with your phone, and then one's on the Bluetooth headset right now. And then I can control turn it on and off. And then right now I'm playing the song out of my watch. So you want to play the music on your phone. First of all, you need to open the app first. So it wants you to play it on the phone first. So I go to my see, with my Google Music. Here's my Google Music. Oh my god, it's so horrible. What's wrong with this LGB 10? Jeez. Sorry guys, I didn't know it's out of focus. So I might mute it. So normally they want me to play music on the phone first. So it's starting, so I'm gonna turn down the volume. Hello, yeah. So now it's playing. And then after that, I can control on my watch. As you see right now, it shows the title of the song. You click on Open App and you swipe up. It shows all the song that was playing. Well, this is the first song that I'm playing right now, so. And then if you want, you go back and then you can skip to the next song or whatever. And now it's playing Be Alright by Ariana Grande, okay? And then it shows on my phone as well. I'm gonna play, push pause. Or you could toggle next track by turning the bezel, okay? Previous or forward. So I'm not sure why it's lagging, but anyway, that's you can connect it, okay? And let's go ahead and then pause this music. So anyway, this proves that the Samsung Galaxy Watch could connect up to 2 devices at the same time. One is to your Bluetooth headsets, and the other one is to your cell phone. Okay. As you can see right now, if you go back to the app, oops. Go to Samsung. So yeah, it is connected Bluetooth to my phone, and then it also connected to the headset, wireless headsets. This is the Bluetooth one. So I said connected successfully again. So let's see, test out again before we leave. So right now the phone has a music on right now. Gonna hit this. That's a watch. So when I close it, it's gonna disconnect it, okay? Because it's charging this cute Bluetooth wireless headsets. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.